Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to build a very simple automatic brewing machine in Minecraft Bedrock. With this machine you can produce tons of potions in minutes. These are all the items you need. Now follow each step exactly. Build as many brewing stations as you need for each brewing process. For example, I'll use for brewing stands. Be aware that there is a tick delay on every repeater. Add a 1 tick delay to each repeater except the last one. Now we are building a hopper clock that takes exactly 1 brewing process to complete. Make sure the hopper look into the other hopper. Now put exactly 57 items into the hopper with the redstone block on it. Once all the items have been transferred from one hopper to the other, the repeaters should switch on or off. Place a chest on the top hopper. Our water bottles will eventually go into it. Now, put a hopper on each brewing station, into which our ingredients will eventually go. Now you can either add the blaze powder individually to each brewing stand, or you can place some hoppers and chests on the right side exactly as shown, so that you only have one chest at the end in which the blaze powder spreads out on each individual brewing stand. Now you're finished, and I'll show you how to fill everything correctly. For example, I'm now brewing an 8-minute speed potion for throwing. Nether warts will appear in the first chest above the brewing stand. The second chest contains the main ingredient, in my case sugar. You can now put something like redstone into the third chest to extend the potion. You can then add gunpowder to the last chest to make it into a throwing potion. Now you can put your blaze powder into the double chest on the right. It will be automatically distributed to all brewing stations. Finally, put the water bottles in the chest at the very top. The one that was in the brewery, looking in from the back. Now you just have to wait until the clock cycles back and forth so that the bottles can move on to the next brewing process. You can see that after the second brewing process, the next bottles are already being moved on to be brewed. And your potion is already brewed. I'll include a link in the video description where you can see all the brewing possibilities. If you want to turn off the machines, simply move a lever to this position to lock the hopper. If you also want to turn the clock off, place a lever in this position. That's it for this tutorial. I hope I was able to help you. Have fun brewing.